Welcome to Narrow Path Adventures. This is the first episode. We're going to go whitewater rafting. But first, I'm going to talk about a giveaway. I'm going to give away this Gary Loomis Edge rod, medium light, fast, 7-foot spinning rod. Great rod. Or you could choose this one. This is a LEWS MACH SMASH Baitcasting rod. So if you've ever wanted to get into bait casting and you've never tried it, this would be a great thing to win. This one, funny story, this one I found in the Milwaukee River. And I took it all apart. And cleaned it really good. And now it works the way it's supposed to. So how to enter into this giveaway. When you watch the video, like it, comment your favorite part of the video, or a Bible verse, and subscribe to the channel and you will be entered into the giveaway. We will do the drawing on Friday night, August 29th, 7 p.m. on YouTube Live. And after you win, you can tell me which one you want. And then I will ship it to you. But we can discuss that after you win. You will have till Sunday night at 10 p.m. to claim it. So you'll only have 2 days to watch the live video and see if you won. If no one claims it, if the person who won doesn't claim it by Sunday at 10, August 31st, I will redraw Monday, September 1st on Facebook Live at 7 p.m. So if you win, please claim it. So remember, like, comment your favorite part of the video or Bible verse, and subscribe. Watch the whole video. You don't have to, but I would really appreciate it. And you will be entered for one of these. So good luck and enjoy the video. Ah, tree! Holy crap! Whoa! You just got so... Uh-oh. Oh, wow. Welcome to the new channel, Narrow Path Adventures. Me, the wife, and Faith are heading to Shotgun Eddie's, which is way up by White Lake, Wisconsin. We're gonna go for a whitewater raft. Yeah. Okay, girls, grab 2 paddles here. Here we go. You guys excited?
Yeah.
All right, here we go. This is how I fish. I walk through the water like this. Watch on the sides, guys. There's deer and stuff. People have seen bears and bobcats. Yeah, we're gonna get stuck here any second. Oh, there's Dad's butt dragging. Oh, we just gotta get. Oh man. Oh, it's a little low. All right, here we go. We're going backwards. Dad's gonna have to. Ah, tree! Ah! So it's freaking out. Just hit Mom with the paddle. Go there, Okay, you're good. Oh, we're going right down the chute, everyone. Right down the chute. Oh, we better get straight here. Uh-oh. Oh no. Oh. That's the worst possible spot. There we go. Oh. Oh, don't get sucked in.
Oh, that's okay.
Turn hard, paddle hard. Uh-oh. Get down. There we go. Now this is an actual. Holy crap! Woohoo! Wow. Oh no, now it gets real deep. See you guys. That waterfall was pretty scary, huh?
I liked it. I like jumped up.
We started going there on the wrong route, and so we had to get out and like go through the woods to get back.
Oh, really?
Stop it. It's just like
Okay, go. Yeah. There we go. Good job, Mom. Okay, burn around this to the right.
I don't have much burn left, just to let you know.
Well, we got 4 hours left, so you gotta get some burn out of somewhere. All right. Prepare. I'll try and steer us. Oh, here we go, right down this chute right here. Whoa! You just got soaked. Ah! Oh no! Ah! Oh man! Ah! We're under a rock! Watch your head! Oh wait, we gotta get this thing straight! Alright, turn to the chute right here. Oh, you got real prepared for that.
We're backwards every time.
Get prepared. Let it spin. To the right. I mean, or straight out. I can't do it.
That was fun.
That was insane.
Yes.
Oh no, here we go again.
We're gonna get stuck on these. We're gonna go that way. Here, pedal, get around that way.
Here we go again. No. All right, Brian. There we go. We're good. I sound like I'm having a baby or something. Whew. Holy crap! Wow! Good thing these left. Oh no! Oh yeah! Oh no, we're going backwards! Oh no, this is the worst! This is the worst! Oh crap! Whoa! I am soaking wet, everybody! Alright, we're gonna have to get out here. Holy crap, I think we're looking towards the sky the whole time. Let's see if I can get you going. Yeah, no problem. Really? Well, got deep, huh? Yeah, I got it. If you want to jump in.
Wait, they came from that way.
Yeah, there's a. We missed the path. We went straight.
Wait.
What are you doing? All right, get back up in there. Just gonna let us float. If we hit that wall over there, then. Well, the Tupperware did a good job.
Yeah, it kept it dry.
I hope my plastic bags did for my batteries and your keys.
Yeah, because the whole outside is soaking.
It's the same kind of landscape as Canada right here. Hey, you got two handles on the side there, miss. You got two handles on the side there. Not really handles, but
I got this thing. I've been hanging on to it.
here we go. This ain't too bad compared to the other ones. Oh, oh, here we go again.
I actually like didn't get wet.
It went over my leg.
Went all over my arm. Okay, get that current, Mom. Get in the current over there. All right, let them take us. Cover up. Get ready to roll. Oh, that ain't bad at all, huh? There we go. See, that's what I thought it was going to be like. Not falling off a 5-foot waterfall. Look how pretty this is. Update midway through the trip. The wife is cold
Faith's legs are cold.
because the sun's not out. She blames it on her daughter.
The sun is right there.
It's just peeking through.
And it's been kind of crazy so far. And the water's low, so we got to get out and push through some of the current, but otherwise it's pretty fun. Oh, okay. We better get in position. Okay, we want to be as close to the side as we can here.
We're just gonna go over here. Okay?
Oh, here we go. Woo! Okay, hold on. We're going to hit a rock.
Oh wow, we're coming hot.
You wanna push off it?
I have nothing to push off.
Oh, there's a big dump here. Let's go left, if we can. I don't think we're going to be able to. Uh-oh.
Trying to paddle.
Okay, here comes the big one. Okay, let's not go sideways.
Are we ready?
Yeah, that was chilly.
I definitely thought we were dumping it.
I thought we were dumping it too.
Oh man.
I like the screams. Ah!
I'm a scream.
Faith, there's death screams.
It wasn't a death scream, but it was.
Well, that's fun.
Wow.
Uh-oh.
Which way are we going?
We're going this around the bend. Just around the river bend.
It's a little.
Just around the river bend.
Just around the river bend.
I am channeling my
Inner Pocahontas.
inner Pocahontas. We don't want to hit that rocker, do you? Okay, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Get down. Get down. There we go. Oh, that. Oh. Here we go. Here we go. That was way slower than I thought it would be. Spin it. Spin it. And for the middle. To the trees. To the trees. Get going.
Okay, I'm still on my side.
All right, get in your position.
Already?
Oh yeah. Go straight. Uh-oh.
Straight into that one?
Oh no.
Okay, I guess not. We're going this way.
Oh. All right, all right. Ah! Woohoo! Woohoo!
Here we go, fighters!
Oh, this is the cliffs up here. Well, my camera was sideways again.
Look at these.
I think Faith was pooping her pants there.
A little bit.
What the heck you say?
You say?
Staring at me like, what the?
Oh, we got another one, guys. We got another one.
What do you mean another one?
Oh, this is cool back here.
Are we in New Zealand?
So this is halfway through? Or no, he said we got about an hour left?
Yeah. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Here, I got it. I got it. Don't worry.
I got it right
All right.
You just have to start here.
We gotta go. We gotta go right. You don't want to aim for that middle.
I
Uh-oh.
don't want to aim like this! Well, it worked.
Well, we got through. Oh. Yep. Oh, wow. Nice. Oh. Oh, now we're gonna. Uh-oh. Ah, big rock. Well, we made it through. Nice. It's the summertime and the Wolf River. All right, get down. Mom, push us. Make sure we hit this smooth part here in the middle. Oh.
There's all rocks.
Oh,
Uh-oh.
what is this?
Here we go. Oh, that's a good one. Here we go. Uh-oh.
Okay. Well,
I can't see anything. Where are we going? We're picking up a lot of speed. Oh no, there's a big one. There's a big one. We gotta get down. Oh no, there's a big one.
We're returning.
There's a big one. Oh, here we go. Here we go.
Wait, we're returning again.
Here we go. There we go. Oh no! Get down! Ah! Wow! All right, let me get this and then I'll pull it.
Flip this over?
We can't. I can't do it. Scary, huh? That was crazy.
Still not out of it.
Can you get it, Mom? Oh, we look real dorky right now, huh? Alright. No idea. Alright. What a journey. I think Faith's gonna be afraid of whitewater rafting from now on. Yep, that was insane, huh?
We lost one water bottle, gained 2 paddles.
Yeah, I got video of it.
Yeah? Yeah, all on GoPro there.
Wee! That's what I got video of. Well, we just got done. That was insane. I highly recommend it. Older kids, and you better know how to swim. That was crazy when we tipped over. But we're all done. What'd you girls think?
Woo!
It was insane.
It was very fun.
Faye thought she was gonna die at the end.
Yep.
We all flipped the boat.
She is alive.
Hopefully I got good footage. A couple of times we got flung around so much the camera was upside down and sideways, but it was super fun. If you want to try it, go to Shotgun Eddie's, call them first, make a reservation. That does it for the first episode of Narrow Path Adventures. I hope you guys liked it. Stay tuned for more. Not sure if I'll post every week or not, but we'll definitely get some videos out there. So stay tuned for that.
Walking down the narrow path tonight, heartbeat pounding under God's light. Every mile we go, we feel the drive. Jesus by our side keeps us alive. Trail is calling, thunder in our stride. We conquer every climb. Winds are roaring, lifting up our cries. Freedom found under those open skies.
Oh, come on, Faith. Whoa!